All right, Caleb, what is happening here?
All right, so today we are trying to replicate a video that we saw online of a toilet paper shooter. What you need essentially is a leaf blower, some tape, and a paint roller, and toilet paper, of course. This is just a Toro power sweep leaf blower.
All right.
It's just an electric leaf blower. You can find them at any hardware store. You can also find these in a link below. We'll have a Amazon affiliate link down there for you if you want to check it out and give this a shot yourself. So first we're just gonna take some tape and tape this paint roller to the underside of the leaf blower. Thank you, Sydney.
There we go.
All right, so now that it's nice and on there, next thing you want to do is grab your toilet paper, and when you load it onto the roller, you're going to want to make sure that the toilet paper flap is facing this direction. Essentially, it's a physics principle that when air is blowing over top of the paper, it actually lifts it up, and that is what is going to shoot the toilet paper out of the paint roller and make this a really cool, fun science experiment. So now we're gonna turn it on and see what happens. Give me a countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's how fast it goes.
There you have it. If you need to kill some time, I highly recommend it.
1, 2, 3, fire! It's the ghost.
Been teepee. Yeah, the perfect application for this project here is probably to teepee an annoying neighbor's house or potentially a friend's car or something. So, aim it at.
All right, Happy New Year from the HouseBarons. Thanks much for viewing, and we hope you have a wonderful 2020.